morning. We welcome you to another day of broadcasting activities. This is radio station DWID-FM, a commercial radio station owned and operated by Manila Broadcasting Company as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with permit number BSD-0526-2016. Station DWID-FM operates 24 hours daily on 98.3 megahertz with authorized power of 10,000 watts. Station DWID-FM is a member of the Kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas. Our station and transmitter are located at the third floor Carried Lumber Building, MHRR Street, Dagupan. DWID-FM is maintained and operated by the following personnel duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. First class radio telephone operators, Lifer Aguilar, license number 11-1P1-26427. Jose Catalan, license number 07-1PHN-23432. Glisel Jan Cadorna, license number 17-1PNCR-26842. And Rosmi Brudo, license number 16-1PNCR-26833. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ang silanganan, alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong baghaw, may nilang ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng wataw at mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?